This is Code.org. Let's talk binary. How would you explain a number system to someone who's never seen numbers before? I can't tell you how you would explain something, right? Some ponderings is ways we already do. So, like we discussed in our warm-up today, how do we display numbers right now? Well, we can do by the number 7 is 7. How else might I? Zoop, 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 zoop. That would be 7. How else? The word 7. So there's a lot of ways to display numbers. How would you make them understand this? Think about that numbers, just like letters, does the letter A actually mean A? No, it represents the sound, eh. If I say I have $7, what's that mean? Well, it's telling you a quantity. So think about the idea of representation and maybe the different symbols that we could be using. Also, number-wise, if you're trying to explain numbers to someone and you say 7 means, well, 7 items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they say, okay, well then I have 14. Wait a minute, is that 14? No. So you really want to pay attention to some of the ways that number systems are unique. This isn't right or wrong, it's how you would explain it. So you explain it. Good luck. Onward.